Okay, so here we have PowerPoint 2019 in practice, chapter 1, guided project 1, 2. Okay, so maybe I can get 2 of these finished today. Now, I do like to have some projects where I don't have videos for you, where it forces you to have to think through them on your own. So that's why even if there are 3 assignments, I don't always make 3 videos, even if there's time. And that's not because I don't like talking. I love talking to classes. I love doing these projects. Even projects I've done multiple times, I have a lot of enjoyment doing them, which is kind of weird, but I do. I think they're fun and they make me think and they're challenging. And um, that's not the reason why I don't always do all of them. The reason why I don't always do all of them is because I like you as a student to have some where it kind of forces you to think about it on your own. Now, does that mean nobody else in the world on YouTube has posted a video of them? No, maybe there is, right? Like there are different ways that students can figure out like easy ways to do it. But that's not like the spirit of the assignment. The spirit of the assignment is it forces you to think these things through. Well, it pushes you to think these things through. It doesn't force you, right? So let's go ahead and download the start file and the resources. And we'll go ahead and move this over here to the left. And we'll move this over here to the right. Okay, and then we'll enable editing. Great. Okay, so this is a management consulting firm, and this is how we're going to train new hires. So we have to open the File tab, and we are going to look for the assignment, and we already did that, so we just check those off. And now we display slide 2, which is right here, and we want to select the bulleted text. Well, bulleted text has these little circles next to it. Those are bullets. So we select the bulleted text by clicking first next to the bullets, and now we go from top to bottom. Okay, and then we click the bullets drop down arrow. So inside of home, we go to paragraph, and then we click the bullets drop down arrow. Okay, and now we are going to go to bullets and numbering, and then we're going to change the size to 80% of text. All right, now we click the color button and we select orange accent 6. So that's the last color of the first row, and that's orange accent 6. And now's a good time to stop and check these things off. Sometimes I check them off as I'm doing them. Sometimes I stop after 6 or 5. But either way, it's important to keep yourself organized and check them off. Now we look for the Customize button, and we open the symbol dialog box. Okay? So I'll check that off as we go along. So scroll down the font list and select Wingdings 3. Wingdings 3. There it is, Wingdings 3. And then select the black right pointing pointer. Okay, black right pointing pointer. Which one's the black right pointing pointer? Oh, we can use the character code. Perfect. So the black right pointing pointer is not this one. It's 132, not this one. This one, 117. Okay? So it looks like this. We say OK, check it off, check it off. Click OK to close the symbol dialog box. OK. All right, perfect. Now, we need to use this that we have downloaded. Okay? So, in order to use this, we have to extract it first. This is the most important thing. You have to extract the files from the zipped folder. Okay? So you click here and you say extract all. Then you say extract. Okay? This is what we're going to be using. All right? So it's going to be located here inside my downloads folder. So we have to click here in PowerPoint and we have to go to new slide. So we go here to new slide. Where's new slide? There it is. Insert new slide. And we want to go to reuse slides. And now we are going to click on browse. And then we are going to go to my downloads. And then our guided projects. And we click on email content. And then we say choose content. And then we say here insert. Do we insert all? Okay, now I'm mixed up. All right, new slide, browse, select presentation, select open. Okay. Verify that use source formatting is not selected. Okay, I can deselect that. Then check all 3 slides. Oh, instead of all 3 slides, I can just say insert all. And then close this. Okay, looks good. So that was a little confusing for me. I don't know why, but I think we got it all working. So we've inserted the 3 slides from the download. Okay, now we're going to use the thumbnail pane, which is over here to the left, to rearrange the slides in this order. So first we need getting results with emails. That's good. Then we need ask these questions. Then we need why. So why needs to come third. And then we need write a meaningful subject line. And then we need organize it. And then we need keep it short. Okay? So we select slide 1. And we click the spelling button. So we go to review. And then we say proofing. And we say spelling. And we want receive to be changed. And then we want careless to be changed. And then we want organized to be changed. And captured to be changed. And response to be changed. And separate to be changed. Okay? We check that off, check that off, check that off. And now we are going to use the format painter. So we display slide 2. And we select the body placeholder with the bulleted text. Okay, so we want this bulleted text to be selected. And we double click the format painter. Here's the format painter. 1, 2. Okay, see you can click it 2 times. All right. Now you press page down on your keyboard. And then you are going to... Wait, was I in the right spot? Hold on. Oh, I was in the wrong spot. Okay, that's pretty bad. So let me try this again. Let me select in slide 2 the bulleted text. So we check 2 times. Check, check. Okay, now we page down to slide 3. Okay, and we are going to... apply the change to the first level bullets. These are all first level bullets, 1 through 4. And then we repeat the steps for 4 and 5. So we go down to 4, and we select this, and then we go here, and we select this, and then we select this, and we select this, and that's good. So now we press escape, and we check them off. So check, 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 check. Okay. So now insert a picture and apply a design ideas layout if available. So we go here to slide 6. All right. Go here to slide 6. And we delete the picture on the right. So we can just, press delete. That's pretty straightforward. We just press delete. And then we are going to click the Insert tab and then go to the Pictures button. So we go here to Pictures. And then we are looking for we are looking for this device. And we're looking for a downloads file. So from today, we downloaded these resources, and we look inside here for this image. So we select the image, we say insert, and then we are going to look at the design pane, design ideas pane, and we're going to click the thumbnail similar to the layout in 1-112. And to me, that looks like this one. Okay, so we'll click that. And now it looks good. And then we close the design ideas pane and we check that off. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to select the picture on slide 6. And we're going to click the Alt Text button. So we go up here to Alt Text. And then we're going to delete this text here. And we are going to type a person showing notebook features. Okay, then we close it. And then we check it off, check it off. And now we're going to select the text, keep it short. Okay. And we're going to click the font color button. And we're going to go here to font color. And we are going to select orange accent 6. Looks good. And now we check that off. And then we're going to apply one transition and effect option to all the slides. So we go up here to transitions, and then we're going to click on the switch transition from the gallery. Okay, so we need the switch transition from the gallery. So we have to look for the switch transition from the gallery. What is the problem here? Ah, there it is. Switch transition from the gallery. So we move it to switch, and then we want to apply to all. Okay, and then we want the effect options to be from the left, and then we want to apply to all. And I think we checked them all off. Check, 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 check. And we're going to preview the presentation in both slide sorter and slideshow views. So we're going to click the slide sorter button. So the slide sorter button is going to be on the status bar. So we've got slide sorter. And then we're going to press Control A to select all of them. And then we're going to click preview to examine the movements. And let's try that again. Preview. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then okay, we finished this, so we can just check these off. And now we're going to go back into the file view, and we're going to click on the properties. So we'll go here to the properties, and we are going to go to advanced properties, and we are going to go to the summary tab. Where's summary? See, sometimes things are hard to find. Where is summary? So we go title, subject, author, but where is the, oh, there is nothing summary. Oh, okay. So I was looking for the word summary, but I just need to change these things right here. Okay, now it makes sense. So for title, it needs to be getting results with email. That looks good. For subject, we need to type writing. For author, we need to type David Freer or your name, whatever. Okay, looks good. And then we have comments. Under comments, we're going to write here, this presentation is for the new hire seminar. Okay, now does that period, is that period included? I don't think so. So I think it's like that. So we check that off, and now we finish with this, so we can go back. And they want us to print the slides, so we go here to click the print button. So we go File, Print. And I mean, we're not actually going to print these, right? We're just looking at different ways to print them because it's a remote class. What am I going to do? Drive around and collect the different printouts? That's ridiculous. So we see what to print. We want handouts, and we want 6 slides horizontal, and we want frame slides, and we want print on both sides. All right, frame slides, print on both sides, scale to fit paper, and then we want them collated, and we want grayscale or color, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so then we go back, and we're just doing that to look at the different options, right? Like we're not actually printing, of course. So we check them all off. And now we look to see, do we have 6 slides? Yes, we have 6 slides. So we save it one last time, we close it, and then we go up to the top and we say we are ready to submit the file. So we look at email results from 9/17, we say open, submit the file. And we get perfect, 100%. That's what we wanted to see. So this one's pretty easy, but now you have a video that will help you to do it. Okay, you have a video that will help you to do it. And we are ready to go to the next step, which is the next assignment. So we're going to go back here, and we're going to do together 1-5, and then you'll do 1-6 totally on your own, okay? So now we'll do 1-5. So we're going to download the start file and the resources, and we'll just open them up here. There's the resume, and it says open the resume updates. Okay, so we got to open the resume updates. That's what we did. Open resume updates. Click enable editing. Check, check. Now we're going to change the background style to slide 4. Okay, we want the background style to slide 4. So we're going to have to go here to the slides. All right. All right. Background style. Where's background style? No, where's styles? Boy, the first thing, and I'm already thrown for a loop. Which one's background style? Background style. Background style. Where's background style? But where is this? Where's background style? Okay, background style. Why is this getting so difficult? Background style. Background style. Huh. These are variants. Oh, there it is. Format background. Okay. um, background. No, but that's picture. Is this variance? No. No, no, no. Background style. All right, let's see. All right, so they go to design and then background styles. So design, what the heck is going on here? Design and background styles. Okay, design and, oh, there's background styles. Okay. And then under background styles, we want style 4. Last option, first row. Okay, there's style 4. All right, that was ridiculously hard for me. I don't know why that was so hard, but my brain wasn't working. And then we changed the theme fonts to Georgia. Okay, we want the theme font. So we've got the theme, and then we want to change the theme fonts. So we go here to variants, and then fonts, and we're looking for Georgia. Theme fonts to Georgia. All right, and that's under variants. And now we want to display slide 1, and we want to select the title placeholder. This is the title placeholder, and we want to change the text alignment to align left. Okay, change the text alignment to align left. So we go here to paragraph, and we go to align left. And then we want to resize the placeholder so that the text word wraps on 2 lines. Okay, so we got to move here to resume updates like that. We check that off, And then we want to select the subtitle placeholder, and then align left. So we go here to align left, and check that off. And then we are going to insert 2 new slides after slide 2. Okay, so we go here after slide 2 with the title and content layout. All right, so we're going to insert new slides, and we want title and content, title and content, title and content. Okay? Type the following text for slides 3 and 4. Indent the subpoints on slide 3, okay? Last 3 items. So, looks pretty straightforward. We go here to slide 3. Title is going to be accomplishments, comma, not duties. And then the bulleted items are going to be Include only the most impressive details about your career, and then quantify your day-to-day tasks, and then we tab over how many times, what was the result, and how much money was saved. Okay? Oh, was that slide 3? Darn it, I rearranged it. Okay, well, no big deal. I just moved this up to slide 3. And now we're in slide 4, and slide 4 title is going to be proofread. See, you make a mistake, it's real easy to fix in PowerPoint. Proofread, and then employers take spelling and grammar errors as signs of carelessness. Ask a trusted friend or colleague to look at your resume. Okay, looks good. Now we're going to reuse slides from another presentation. So we move the insertion point after slide 3, right here. And then we open the reuse slides pane. So we go here, reuse slides. And we're going to browse to find the resume content. So we say resume content, and we say choose content. And we're going to insert all 3 slides. So we're going to insert all 3 slides. So we can say here, insert, insert, insert. Okay? Check, check, check. So we're going to display slide 8. Adjust placeholders and insert text. So select the title placeholder and change the text alignment to align left. So we go here to paragraph and align left. And we're going to type success! Exclamation point. Then we're going to resize this to fit. Looks good. And then we're going to delete the subtitle placeholder. So we just click down here on the subtitle placeholder and we say delete. Looks good. Now click the spelling button and we're going to fix some errors. So we go to review and then proofing and then spelling. So we say redundant change and then achievements change, and then that's it. It's done. So we check that off. And then we apply the reveal transition with the through black right effect option to all slides. So we have to go to transitions. And luckily this has been going pretty smooth. I haven't run into any little hiccups. So we go to transitions and we're looking for reveal. Reveal. There's reveal. And we want with reveal, we want the through black from right. So through black from right. That looks pretty cool. And we want to apply it to all. So we click apply to all. We check that off. Now, we do have 8 slides. We don't really want to print these. So we can just skip this step here. And it gives us the order that we're supposed to have it. So we have resume updates, the purpose, accomplishments not duties. Oh, look at this. We have a problem. We have a big problem. Big problem. The problem is we have to apply this formatting to these slides. Okay? So let's figure out the easiest way to do that. Let's try to select everything. Oh, that was pretty quick. So we can just go here and say select, and then select. Oh yeah, that was easy. So if you just click on the format painter and then click on the slide, it matches it. Okay, I think we're ready. Let's save it and find out. So we save it, and then we close it, and then we check it off, and we upload it. So we go up to the top, we say upload my file, and we click on resume updates, and we say open, and we say submit the file. And we, as expected, got 100%. A little nervous because I saw that I missed something earlier, but I fixed it. And that's not a big deal, right? Like, you miss something and then you fix it, you get 100%. Now, PowerPoint is not that hard, right? PowerPoint just requires you to be very, very detail oriented. PowerPoint requires you to be detail oriented. All right? So I just gave you the videos to do these 2 assignments. The third one, I'm leaving you on your own. Even though I could very easily make the video right now, do it, and we'd still have tons of time left in class. That's not the issue. The issue is that you need to have some assignments where you're sitting there and you're thinking, okay, where do I go next? Where do I go next? Now, you may want to do these chapters first, these SimBook chapters first. That might help you with doing the projects first. Because we're going to end class early today, right? I'm not going to keep talking until 10:30. The point is, when I end, you have a choice. You could either say, okay, CGS 1060 is done for the day. I'm not going to touch these SimBooks. I'm just going to go mow the lawn or do something else. And yeah, you do have that option. I don't have like a camera on you following you around, but it's much better to use this time that you know you set aside from 8:50 to 10:30 to get these things done. Because I get messages from students, I need more time for this, I need more time for this, I need more time for this. And I'm trying to accommodate people. I'm trying to open things up and work with them. But you don't want to fall into that trap. You want to do things now during class time. Think of this as lab time. And the reality is, I'm not sitting here mowing the lawn either. I get messages from students, and I work with the students. I mean, that would be pretty ridiculous if your teacher was actually mowing the lawn while teaching a class. But, you know, I guess if it was a riding lawnmower, you could do it. But the idea is you have this opportunity to message me. I'm here for you. I can help you with things. That's the goal, okay? Now I'm going to stop